Hi everybody, this is Junko. We are making Tuna Tower today. First we need a cucumber, and I suggest using Persian cucumber like I am today, or Japanese cucumber. English cucumber tends to have more water, so I prefer to use less watery cucumber. Cut the cucumber into quarters lengthwise and dice it. Next is avocado, cutting into half and dice it. Slicing your knife into avocado just like this would make dicing avocado really easy. And then after this, you use a little spoon and scoop it out. It comes out very easily. And add a tablespoon of rice vinegar into cucumber and avocado mix. Mix it up and set it to aside for now. If you like a little heat to your tuna, then I would add a small amount of chili and add it to your cucumber and avocado bowl. Before cutting a tuna, please sharpen your knife and start cutting the tuna with one slow stroke at a time. And cut it into about 1/4 inch dice. Add the diced tuna into a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of ponzu, and toss it up a little bit. And cover it and refrigerate it for now. Next, we're making avocado wasabi sauce. We'll use the remaining avocado and mix it up with wasabi. Next, we are adding a tablespoon of rice vinegar and keep mushing it and mixing it up until it makes a nice and saucy consistency. And get a circular mold ready and place it in the center of a plate, and by smearing the back of your spoon like so, and use it as a brush and put it on the plate. It's like making a little painting on your plate. Then we'll start making a tower, putting all the cucumber and avocado in there and press it firmly, and try not to put liquid in there. And add tuna on top and press it firmly, but try not to smush it. And garnish it with sprout, and voila! Tuna tower with wasabi and avocado sauce.